lovers, welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll be learning something different. Yes, so do not skip this video. Make sure you watch till the very end to understand everything I did, how I gather all these feathers to be standing on the hairband like this. Do not skip. All right, so these feathers, I got it where they are selling mineral things. A yard of it is 8,000 to 7,000. It depends on your location. Okay, so you start by cutting it. After cutting it, then you start creating this zigzag look. Okay, please, why drafting this particular style, this particular design? You have to be very, very careful. You have to be focused. You have to be calm, because any single mistake, you are going to damage your feathers. When I say any single mistake, you are going to damage it. So at this point, I am so focused, as in I'm so determined, as if my life depend on this feather, because this thing is very, very costly. These feathers, a piece of this feathers is being sold for 4,000 naira, 400 naira. A single of it is being sold for 400 naira. Okay, so I'm very, very determined. All right. So if you're meeting this channel for the first time, I want to say a very big thank you. Let me reintroduce myself to you. This is Shine Creative Headwear channel. On this channel, I'll be learning everything related to ladies' headwears, be it otogele, turbans, fascinators, or different types of trending headbands. Another thing I'll be adding on this channel is how to make your own rows, how to design your own rows to embellish your work. Not every time be running helter scatter in looking for a rose. Maybe you run out of rose, you are looking for where you can get a rose. But if you stick with me on this channel, I will be making a video on how to make a rose, how to use your leftover fabric to make a rose you will use to embellish your fascinator, your turban, or whatsoever, even your dress. All right, so please do well to subscribe to this channel. Click on notification bell to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. The only thing you can do to support me is by liking this video. Like it, drop a comment, drop a thank you comment. It will go a very long way. This is the only way you can support me. This is the only way you can encourage me. You can thank me for sharing my experience with you. All right, so please do well to do so. As you can see, I am done making the needed design I will be needing for this particular design. Here the work comes. Okay, right, so this white stuff, I got it where they are selling ladies' footwears. Yes, I got it. That's where you can get it. It's free of charge. Just go and they will just demand for it. They will just give it without even demanding. All right. So here what I did. I'm trying to remember the picture I showed you. The feather is be like as is standing very firm on the headband. Okay, so this is the secret of it. This is what I did. I got like to try to create a circle with it, hold it on the band with this gum, with my gum, and it's very, very strong. Like it's so strong. All right, after everything, then you now design your this thing and put it there. Please, on this channel, I have, if you go to my previous video, I have a video like this: how to make this basket otogele, how to make this pinnacle otogele, how to different types of otogele is already on this channel. Please, you can go and watch all this video, because that is where I explain even this trend, this basket, most especially this style is a basket altogether that has been trending. So I bring out my time to record a video on how to achieve it. Please go to my channel. The video is there. Watch it. Also like, okay, and don't forget to follow, to subscribe, for more interesting video. All right, so let's get back to work. After I must after 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 everything, now this is time for me to wrap it with this shiny bias. This shiny bias, we all know it, but if you don't know where you can get it, is being sold where they're selling mineral things. The only thing that is not being sold where they're selling mineral things is this white stuff we are seeing. I already said it. I got it where they are selling ladies footwear. This thing is something they used to put especially in slippers, on the slippers, ladies slippers. That is where they are putting this thing. Where the big toe, you used to put your big toe. That is where they are they are putting this white stuff. Okay, so just go there, be nice to them, talk, just say what you want, and they will just give it to you. All right, so after securing it, after securing everything securable, I don't know if you have liked this video. I don't know if you have liked this video. If you are not like, you are not doing me any well. Please like, I'm begging you, like. Did I do anything to you? No, please like. All right, so at this point I'm trying to shade the one I will start first and which one I will not start. So as can see, let me start with this one. So now this is what we did here. All right, this is what we did here. I press my gun, I start making it as if, you bring, you print, you print, as in you're trying to let it scatter. It doesn't have to be one just trying to scatter it, as in let it scatter. Okay, so this is what I did here. I'm still gathering, I'm still gathering, I'm still gathering. I am done with this one, making sure that is everything is well together, is well intact. All right, so this is where I will just put it for the beginning. As you can see on the hole, just put your gun there. I'm shaking it on my head to know if it's fitting well. So after having done that, I will just remove it and put my gun. So guys, I think I will just leave you all here to enjoy the remaining video of this headband. Don't skip, watch to the very end, and also like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, I forgot to mention that you need this your stretcher. You know, there are some all these standing feathers. You need your stretcher to be coiling it. Let it have this little curve. Let it coil, as in coil it a little bit so that it will not be too tacky. All right. I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, so this after the work, and now that is what I did to get it coiled, as in bending in everything, bending it down, everything is facing down like this. This is what I did to achieve the look. Oh yeah, now see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.